All right, for this problem, we want to find the inverse of the function f of x equals 3 to the x, or 3 to the x plus 2 minus 1. So let's first write it as y equals 3 to the x plus 2 minus 1, and then swap the x and y. X equals 3 to the y plus 2 minus 1. Now we want to solve for y. So we want y to be all by itself. So first let's add 1. X plus 1 equals 3 to the y plus 2. We want to get y by itself. Well, what we have here is an exponential equation. And when you have an exponential equation, you can turn it into a logarithmic equation. So we're going to put it in log form. So we get log base 3 of, of the thing that's on the left, so x plus 1 equals y plus 2. And now we're almost done. Log base 3 of x plus 1 minus 2 equals y. Now this is a one-to-one function. We don't need to worry about restricting any domains. Everything is okay here. So this is our final answer. I will circle it. Or, of course, we could also write it as f inverse of x equals log base 3 of x plus 1 minus 2. Now, we are done, but I'm going to go and do this in a different way so that you can see another way to do it. So I'm going to go back to where we were at x plus 1 equals 3 to the y plus 2. So I'm going to do this alternate one in different color. I'll do it in blue. So x plus 1 equals 3 to the y plus 2. Now, what if we took the natural log of both sides? ln of x plus 1 equals ln of 3 to the y plus 2. Well, now we can use the power property. So power rule, we get ln of x plus 1 equals, I'll erase that, y plus 2 times ln of 3. So we want to solve for y, so let's divide by ln of 3, and we get ln of x plus 1 over ln of 3 equals y plus 2. And then we subtract 2, so we have y equals ln of x plus 1 over ln of 3 minus 2. So I'm circling that one also. These look like different answers, but they're actually equivalent to each other. So if this was an exam, either of these answers would get you 100% credit. All right. So on an exam, also be sure to explain your steps, such as that you're changing it to log form, or you're using the power rule, for instance. All right. I will upload this also to GeorgiaView.